here's my review, real quick and simple. So this is the case that we bought. It's a master lock kit. It's pretty big size. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. Here's the problem we've had. I ordered 2 of these back on December 1st, I believe, to be exact. When they got here 3 days later, my first case stopped working completely. Just totally jacked up, broke. I read the instructions 4 to 5 times, did all the steps they had listed, still broke. What happens here is this. This is your lock. Lock goes down, closes on the box. Right? Ignore this button, who cares? This button is the important one. This opens your actual lock. When your combination is set, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like Spaceballs, on, and you press it, it opens it up. What it does is it pushes in here and actually makes this move all the way over, which releases it on these hinges. Alright? So, to set your lock, there's this little trigger button here, and you actually have to push it all the way into the wall, turn your dials, set your dials, get them set to what you want. Then when you release it, it now has changed your combination. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, push it all the way over, we're going to go 5. Release it. Now, our combination is 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, opens. Let's go back to 4, see what happens to our old combo. Uh-oh, doesn't work. That's a good working lock. However, my first one failed. The components in here failed to the point where this, when you let go, it did not spring back at all. It was stuck halfway through, which then made it so that I couldn't actually close and lock my lock at all. So it was deadlocked. Send it back to Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, for doing your due diligence and sending me another one and having me return it for free. But my new one, this one, it works. I'm going to change my code now. All right, now we are, what is it, a week, 2 weeks? I don't even know. It's January now. Not long after, oh no, we have another one. Is it working? What's going on here? The button will not go in at all. Oh, there it goes. Is it? Oh, but it's sticking. I don't know why it's sticking. So now, this is my wife's, by the way. Lock it up and, oh no, now her stuff's inside. She barely can get it out half the time. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. We've tried resetting the lock with the adjuster here. We've tried everything besides WD-40ing the lock, but I don't think you should have to WD-40 these. I mean, I've used Master Lock my whole life. Never failed me. For some reason, though, these kind of a pain in the ass. Really hard to set the lock, guys. I think we could have done something better about this. Maybe a little latch in here that you just turn upright. Something easy. And also, I don't understand why these locks would keep failing. So, not very happy with the product. Thankfully, Amazon is shipping me a return label. I'm sending this one back, and I'm going to try a second time. Fool me twice, boys and girls, but not a third time. This another one of these fails, I'm just going to get my money back. And I'm sorry, Master Lock, but not going to be able to work with your product anymore. Thank you all. Have a wonderful day, and get one for yourself and try it out. See what you think.
One of those old LG cell phones. Not laying around. We're going to put one of these little wrist clip purses in here. Okay. Not laying around. Will it fit? No. Okay, maybe let's resituate it. There we go. Phone. Wristlet. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Okay. And another phone. There we go. Fits. And this is what the box looks like. Imagine buying a safe to travel with to keep your most precious items, and the actual hinges are made with plastic. So even though this thing broke very easily in my care, I'm imagining that it would be really easy to break off once it is secured like that, because that is all exposed. So I do not recommend this item. Also, try to use a little screwdriver to, you know, set the lock code right here. As you can see, it's super hard to set the lock. So I think I'm going to go with a digital one. Nice try, master lock. This is not as safe and secure as I need it to be. So the case arrived. This is the top, the bottom. The bottom lifts right off. These screws. Are what holds in the locking mechanism. So obviously, this is not very secure. This literally just popped right off of my hand when I picked it up the first time.
That's really disappointing because that's somebody who's cheated me. And now I can't return it because I'm in Mexico.
Alrighty, so we set the code to 4210 and it works as it should. And then when we switch it to a random number, like we'll swap the 2 with the 8, we found this on accident, then it's still open. So you can pretty much throw in a few different numbers and have it still work. So we'll go back to 4210, and if you scramble them all, sometimes it locks, but it doesn't always stay locked. Like random combinations will work.
I love it. I have it for a couple weeks now. Me personally, I use it because I'm a smoker, and Master Lock doesn't promote this, but I keep my goodies in here, lock it away from little teenage kids. Very good for that.
Ew, I got it.